Hello viewer, YouTube no views problem when searching up video. Let's see how to fix YouTube zero views problem. Step 1. Open your phone setting. Scroll down, find out app section. Go to apps. Now search YouTube app. Go to YouTube app. Now scroll down, click on storage. From the lower corner, clear cache data from YouTube app. Now go back and follow the most important part. Open Google Play Store, or if you are iPhone user, open your App Store. Now search YouTube app. Go to YouTube app. From here, update your YouTube app. After complete the update process, follow the most crucial part that really work. Open your YouTube app. Click on your YouTube profile from the lower right corner. Now click on setting icon. Scroll down. Click on help. Now click on send feedback. Get started. Now allow one-time access. Now in the feedback section, write down, "Hi YouTube support team, YouTube does not show view count on my searched video. Please fix this error." Then send your feedback to the Google support team. So if you follow these 3 steps, your YouTube no views problem will be successfully solved.